Well, she runs. Well, I got the car driving, and the brakes actually work pretty well. So that's pretty cool. And the reverse works, drive works, one finger steering. Well, I got it to run, and the heater worked too, which is awesome. Fluids aren't that bad. Just a little bit of tranny and radiator fluid. Radiator fluid needs to be fixed. The housing for the underneath, what do you want to call it? Up top it doesn't have a good seal. And then these transmission lines were leaking too, but we'll see if they keep leaking, because I did tighten them or something, but I guess we'll find out. Find out when this is what the ground looks like before. So I'm not sure what all this is from. I think this is from the it's from the radiator fluid, so I don't know. Yeah, heater works, everything like I said before, and yeah, I took for a little test drive and it works. Still stinks though, unfortunately. This was from back here. Not sure if this doesn't smell like oil to me, so I don't know why it looked so foggy or kind of grayish blue smoke. May just be pistons need to be, or the rings around the pistons still need to be warmed up. But I also put on the OEM rims or hubcaps, sorry, on the car to make it look like it was original. These are the ones that were on it before, from like the 70s, I believe. So now I'm just gonna put everything back. It's like 30 degrees or something outside right now.